A new season is coming. It seems things are going to be worse for Thando and Siyacela's marriage. Hello Mzansi. Thando will get to meet Siyacela's girlfriend Umato. The two will verbally fight and Thando will throw a drink at Umato while Mato states that she will continue to date Siyacela. Thando will ask her father for DNA tests since he denied her while she was still a child, and now she wants to make sure if whether she is her biological father. In the last season, viewers advised Thando to leave Siyacela because she was not happy in her marriage. It resulted her in doing badly in her matric year. While viewers thought that Thando would make the right decision and divorce Siyacela, she was left pregnant with her first child. The last season ended on a bad note as they buried Baba Dlamuka. Rest in peace, Baba Dlamuka. And that's what is coming for the new season of Isecane Lengane. Thando and Umato will finally meet and it will not be nice. Anyway, please Mzansi, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell below for the latest Mgozi. Till I see you again. Bye bye.